Welcome to the Surry Hills Library and Community Centre. My name's Richard Francis-Jones. I'm the Design Director of FJMT, the architects for this project. We're standing now in the library, and the library also extends down into the lower levels of the building. Above that is a community centre, and above that yet again is a childcare facility. Another important aspect of this building that we've been talking about is its ambitions in terms of minimising its carbon footprint and looking at innovation in the use of environmental systems. We've tried to synthesise all of these into some key components of the building, one of which is what we've called the environmental atrium. And what this element of the building does is it manages the distribution, the filtering, the cleaning of the air as it comes through the building. The air is brought in from the top of the building, where it's cleanest on the site, and it comes down a series of glass shafts. It washes over a series of filters, including using plant material to organically filter the air, and is passed around the excavation of the building, what we call a thermal labyrinth, which naturally cools the air, and then it goes back into this atrium space, into these glass shafts, washes over the plants and other filters, and then comes into the building. Another way in which we can offset the energy usage of buildings is to generate energy on site. And here we've done that through the use of solar cells, of having a series of photovoltaic cells that run all the way across the roof of the building. So we're actually generating power on site and using that to power the equipment and lighting systems of the building. This building is what we might call a responsive building. It includes automated devices which change and adjust, which control the amount of light that comes in, which protect the building from the sun. And a good example of that is this series of louvers that shade and protect the building along Crown Street. They're automatically controlled relative to the path of the sun to make sure that we don't get heat load coming into the building, and to make sure that activities within the building are shaded.